Jack and I are out here inspecting the greenhouse. We've had the worst wind since we've moved to our new town. I guess it's still the whole state. It's not just this little area. But it's so much louder because there's farms all around us. So I have spent the morning chasing down my metal trash can that had my recycling in it, and also the recycling we were chasing down. I had the grill blow over and the propane tanks start blowing away, so we had to catch those. We had the rubber mats to wipe your feet on that were blowing away, the empty gas can blow away, and then the pen that the husband made for the dogs that had the black fabric on it was catching wind like a sail, and it actually busted 4 of the panels apart, so I had to run into him to help me get new brackets put on it. And then the kids and I cut all of the tie wraps from the bottom. We rolled it up and then bungeed the black cloth to the top so that the wind could get through easier. So that is definitely something we are learning, growing as we go while being out here, is because there is not houses to break the wind like there was down in the springs. We can't have fencing that blocks wind at all, or we're just going to lose it. So I came out here just to check these guys and to love on them. It's okay in here. I did notice that this greenhouse only has 1 layer of plastic on it, whereas the others had 2. At least I think it's only 1 layer. It doesn't look as thick. When I was noticing right here that, boy, don't do it. There's a hole there, and it looks almost melted. So I don't know if we should try to move these guys tonight. That makes me nervous. The other one, unfortunately, did you follow me, huh? The other greenhouse that's right across from this one busted at the edge there. The wood was rotten. So unfortunately, we're at a place where, because we're in the middle of helping my folks move up here, we're not really able to fix that. So the only option is to take them back over to the greenhouse that we let the dogs run in, and that has the buns in it, and the other turkey and the other 3 ducks, because we had to separate Duncan, the white Peking, from these 2 girls because he was not letting them eat, and the 2 turkey girls fight. So I may go get Naya and see her thoughts on this, if she thinks it'll be okay or not. I just don't want a tree to get blown into the greenhouse and then our birds are, left exposed and blow away or anything. That would make me so sad. I'm not quite sure what I should do, but I feel like I need to lock my girls up for the night. Even if it's just grabbing the hens and putting them in the dog houses, and then I'll take Jack to the other side. I need to get Naya and see what she thinks. All right, Jack, I'll be back. I do miss seeing them a little bit. I didn't think I would, but hello, mountains.
Yeah, you see them every day.
Yeah, you just take them for granted. Yeah. So I guess in that respect, it's nice that we haven't been around them, because then when you see them, you're like, whoa, that's beautiful. Oh, the sky is just breathtaking. Gonna be a big weekend helping Mom and Dad move up with us. So excited. And they hired movers, so they did all the hard stuff. We're just coming down to get vehicles and pets and to finish up work on our house that we're selling. So that's good. Oh, sad cameras just do not do justice to what our eyes pick up. So pretty. I guess he wants his breakfast, huh?
Yeah, probably. You can't eat this, but it's cute. You think so? Emirates.
Why are you so cute? Why are you so cute? I love you. Yeah. Good morning. What? I know. I'm not allowed to let you on the couch. Yeah. So that's the closest I can do. Yeah. You can snuggle between my legs. And your cute little body on my feet. And I can love you. But that's it. That's as far as it goes. They said they draw the line at a couch pig, which is unfair because Hazel is more of a pig than you are, and she's allowed on the couch. But no, not Owen. It's not fair. She takes up the whole freaking couch. She snores. She drools. She slimes. I think Owen should be allowed up here. Not fair.
I don't want her on the couch either.
It's not fair. Look at her. Dang dog. Poor Owen. Maple, there's not even room for you, huh, baby? Yeah. Little beggar. You're a little beggar. Silly piglet. Look at you. Are you sleeping, huh? Are you sleeping? You got a nice full belly, huh? You had some kale. Did you have some kale? And then I got my little puppies over here that are shivering and they're cold. Maple's outside. What? What? Yeah. You're a good boy. I know. I know. Owen. Owen. Owen Rogers. What are you doing, huh? Do you like to snuggle between my knees? Oh, it's okay. I know. What? What? I know. You said, don't move, Mom. Don't move. Yeah, he's a good boy. Good boy.